And now the pledge to the Texas flag. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
O farol permanece un momento de silencio. Gracias. Pueden tomar asiento.
Awesome. Thank you, students from Miss Hernandez's class. Okay, guys, we are starting off. Before we start off, just a
Wait. I want to be there.
Just a few reminders. Fridays, we love to highlight students. We have students come up and we recognize them, so we show respect by sitting exactly the way you are today. Showing respect because one of these days you might be up here and we want everybody to show respect for you. So let's get started. We have our next 2 weeks of Club Hope, and they are out there in the mornings greeting parents and families as they help students be dropped off. For January 26th through February 6th, come on up. Cecilia Hernandez, Fernando Ameno, Alonso Renteria, Ari Rodriguez, Ayana Benal, Jacinto Rico, James Harden, Amelia Sutherland, Diego Alamez, and Alberto Juarez. Boys and girls, these are the friendly faces that will greet you in the mornings. And if you need help because your backpack is too heavy or you're carrying something extra, they are more than happy to help you out and open the doors and smile and say great morning to everybody. So we're going to see them for the next 2 weeks. Let's give them a round of applause as they take their seats. Okay, where's first grade? Wave your hands in the air, first grade. All first grade, wave your hands in the air. We have, very important, we have an update. We have first grade that wants to share some information about their wonderful project of stepping into the new year with a new pair of shoes. So let's give them our undivided attention. Let's listen as they share their information.
Good morning, Pioneer family. Today I want to say helpful thank you to every student and family who donated shoes. Your kindness is going to make a real difference.
belongings. This is such a beautiful action project. We're making a difference and we're making our world a better place. Let's give first grade another round of applause as they take their seats. All right, we have a pioneer in the spotlight, Aaliyah Flores. Here she is. So, very important, guys. Aaliyah was selected as the Boys and Girls Club of Old McAllen, the Junior Youth of the Year. So we're so proud of her. Even though we think she's not a shit.
First, I want to thank my family and all the teachers who went above and beyond for me, especially my teacher, Ms. Armidas. I get to represent the power and I'm going to dance with my next competition, Austin Western Harlem. So I want to make sure you make us proud.
You've already made Betty proud of you. So she's going to be competing now against other Boys and Girls Clubs in the region. So we want to wish her luck. Let's give her another round of applause. Congratulations, Aaliyah. Now we have Mrs. DeGroot that will share a few words about our Battle of the Books.
We competed for Battle of the Books on Tuesday. I want to tell you a little bit about what Battle of the Books is. Students in 5th grade are selected. We have a little book club and they're required to read 4 novels. And as you know, novels don't write 4 novels is a lot to read. But beyond that, then they have to know every single detail because it asks questions like, so when the little girl went to the store, what color dress did she wear? Would you know that kind of information? That's tough! And they did very well. We're really proud of our 5th grade group who got 8th place. And I will tell you, we always hope for higher, but the top 10 were really, really close together because it's not only us who the questions right, that is who got right the fastest. So it was really a tough competition. I'm super proud of these 4 people because they worked really hard coming in Mondays and Wednesdays at 7:15 in the morning every week for months so we could practice and get better and better every day. Starting with Isabella Mulvey. Come on down with your certificate and let's honor you all. Then we have Diego Gonzalez, David Fuentes, and Linnea Foster. Come on down. Super proud of these kiddos and thank you for bringing a picture of them so we can put that on our marquee and our honor yard. We're missing. Hold on, please. Let's go. Let's take your picture. Ready? Congratulations. And this is one about the junior, which are 1st and 2nd graders who also compete. And this year our team, so let me tell you, our parents also need to be honored because they worked really hard with these students. They worked reading the books not once, not twice, probably not even just 5 times, over and over and over and over again. And so much help from the parents. Thank you. And they earned 2nd place, and it was so close between the top 2. So come down. Lila Gonzalez, Alvarez, William, Craig, Noah Barnes, Elliot Leonard. Come on down. They were a great team. They showed extreme teamwork. I'm very proud of them. Well, it was too busy to be proud of us. You get a beautiful picture. I do need to ask, what was it like reading those books over? Honestly.
I can go in there.
Let's get moving over here. So help with the high five. Jason Bill, Jackson from kindergarten grade with CLT class. be an act of kindness. It could be sitting very quietly and respectfully and being a good audience. That makes somebody's world a better day. You have the power to do that.